Winter time and sky is bright, no snow in sight. Shorts and sandals always right, even in the night. We have a fun in the Christmas sun. Palm trees swaying, carols sung, bands all together. What we share in the air and in hearts everywhere. South is tired of cold weather, ready. Watch it sunny. Hop up on Rudolph's sick of snow. Jack Frost told me that he wants a tan, and even the Grinch will have fun. It's Christmas in the sun. Heavy sun, not heavy coats. Time to raise a toast. I want to wish from the bottom of my heart a season of hope. Let's have our fun in the Christmas sun. Yuletide laughter for everyone. Singing and dancing, no winter freeze. Hang our stockings and decorate our trees. South is tired of cold weather, ready. Watch it sunny. Hop up on Rudolph's sick of snow. Jack Frost told me that he wants a tan, and even the Grinch will have fun. It's Christmas in the sun. We're having barbecues instead of winter blues. Everything feels so right. Drinking eggnog out of coconuts. Underneath are so bright. Elves in bikinis out on the beach. No snowflakes falling down on me. Santa and his reindeer wearing their shades. Scrooge is on his surfboard catching some waves. South is tired of cold weather, ready. Watch it sunny. Hop up on Rudolph's sick of snow. Jack Frost told me that he wants a tan, and even the Grinch will have fun. It's Christmas in the sun.
December, the air's getting crisper, the leaves are all but gone. Those kids are making lists for Santa, see those smiles beaming, they outshine the sun. Whoa, the freshly fallen snow, Bing Crosby on the radio. My favorite time of year, whoa, Christmas time is here. Whoa, Christmas time is here. Bum, bum, bum. Downtown they've got a trio, closed with sleigh rides, a stand sells Coco. Oh, darling, isn't it romantic? Those lights brightly shining, oh, how they glow. Oh, the freshly fallen snow, Demon on the radio. My favorite time of year, whoa, Christmas time is here. 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 Oh, no. Together, oh, so much in love. Sometimes it's nice to be reminded the world could be so lovely. Thank the stars above. Whoa, the freshly fallen snow, Sinatra on the radio. My favorite time of year, whoa, Christmas time is here. 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 Merry Christmas, darling.
Is it quite alright if I say
chance again. Is it quite right if I say I forgive every time?